most beautiful fishes have the strangest secrets? Let's find out. First up, the mandarin fish. Unlike most fish, this colorful marvel doesn't have scales. Instead, its body is covered in a slimy, toxic mucus that smells awful. Yuck, but it's a brilliant defense against predators. Next, let's talk about clownfish. Did you know all clownfish are born male? If the dominant female dies, the strongest male will change into a female to take her place. And this transformation is permanent. Talk about a fascinating life swap. Now, meet the betta fish. These beautiful fighters have a special organ called the labyrinth, allowing them to breathe air from the surface. This nifty trick helps them survive in oxygen-poor waters like small puddles and rice paddies. Moving on to the lionfish, the invasive super predator. With no natural predators in many parts of the world, it eats so many fish that it's causing ecological destruction. Plus, it can hunt at night using sensors that detect movement in complete darkness. Scary, right? Finally, the Moorish idolfish. This beauty is almost impossible to keep alive in an aquarium. It's so delicate and picky about food that even expert aquarists struggle to keep it alive for long. Many die within weeks of being captured. Sad, but true. Want more mind-blowing fish facts? Hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing underwater secrets.